kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So you all are thinking why I'm here today? So let me just tell you, it's high time to have some fun while start. It means thoda sa fun and thodi si start. Okay, so without wasting a single moment, let's just come. So our first and foremost concept will be standing line. What is a standing line? Standing line is a line which is drawn straight, which means a line which we drawn straight and which always remains straight. Okay, so how to make it? So just have a look. These are the dots. You just have to trace them. Okay, just have a look. These are the dots and you just have to trace them to form a standing line. So just join these dots and we'll form a standing line. Okay kids, so here is an activity concept with standing line. So here are the flowers. You just have to make a standing line with it. These are the dots given to you. You just have to trace them. Okay, so just pick up your pencil and do it with me. You have to join with first dot to last dot. You just have to make a standing line. So start doing it. Okay, good. Great going. It forms a standing line. So let's do it another one. Okay, let's start from here. Going down. It forms another second line. And the last one here comes. You just have to make a dot here and you just have to join it with lower dot. Okay, so just trace it. So here all the three standing lines completed. Okay, so now another way to make your child learn about standing line. This A dot we will call it mama dot and this B dot is known as papa dot. So you have to join mama dot with papa dot. Okay, so let's just read. You have to make a standing line as you just want to be straight. Okay, mama dot is joined with papa dot, then it forms a standing line. So this is for the parents, those kids who can make the standing line easily. So make them practice in the math sheet. Okay, so just take a math sheet and then in a single column you just have to put two dots like this. This is the upper dot and this is the lower dot. Just have a look. This is the upper dot and this is the lower dot. So this is the mama dot, this is the papa dot. So you just have to form a standing line. Just join these two dots and the standing line will form. This is too easy to do. Just join these dots, you will form a standing line. You guys enjoyed it a lot and you learn how to make a standing line. So do practice more kids. I will be back again with a lot of such activities and we will have fun. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye bye.